Hello and welcome to this DIY Friday video. In this video I've taken a little break from the kitchen project, which is becoming all-consuming, to try and tidy up the garden a little bit, because I've got some videos to be shot out here soon, so I need to make sure it's all looking neat and tidy. Of course, videos for eFix, so if you're not already following my other channel there with all the electrical stuff on, then please go and watch that out. There'll be some good stuff on garden lighting on there. However, I've started doing the pressure washing, and as you can see from the clip here, my pressure washer, this bit here, is starting to leak a little bit, and it's coming out of this bit here, which is really quite irritating. So I'm going to try and resolve this. So if I open it up, we can see what the problem is. So I'll just remove this bit. Just needs pushing and twisting and pulling out. And what you can see here is a little O-ring there, and that O-ring is actually broken. So you can see that that is no longer doing its job of maintaining a seal around the end of that bit there. So in order to size an O-ring, there's three key dimensions to it. There's the outer diameter or overall diameter from one side to the other. There's the inner diameter from one inside face to the other, and then there's the all-important, I suppose you call it cross-section measurement as well. So with a little bit of jiggery pokery, I've managed to measure this up and get what I think is a decent match for it. And again, this is super cheap, just come off eBay, so this is not wildly expensive. And all I've got to do is just introduce the new O-ring onto this bit here, and hopefully that'll perform a new seal. So I think it was an 8mm inner diameter, I think, and a 2mm cross section. So hopefully this should just go on here and give us that nice seal that we're looking for. And then I can get on with spraying the decking and get on with tidying up the patio as well. So hopefully I can get this on here. So I'll just try and work that down without bending my nails back. Yeah, so just slide that down there and over there. These are a little bit cold, which is not the best conditions to be working with O-rings in. And there we go, that is now on there, and hopefully that will now give us that nice seal that we're looking for. So again, it's just a matter of pushing that back inside there. Takes a bit of a push, that one, a little twist, and then just lock it in like that. And hopefully what we've now got is an absolutely watertight seal in there, so that all the pressure is concentrated on coming out of this end and giving us a nice clean decking and patio. So let's see if it's worked. So here we go, it seems to be coming out the end there just fine, and when we look at the connection at the joint there, you can see not a drop of water. So we've done a good job there. Now we've just got to get on with cleaning the deck. So as you can see, the pressure washer's done a cracking job of doing that deck in there. It's spotless, all ready for shooting the outside lighting videos that I need to do over on eFix. So go and check out those videos if you haven't already done so. Unfortunately, after I'd started on the patio, the rest of the pressure washer broke down. I don't know if it was overheating or what, but it just stopped working. And so we're going to have to think about investing in a new pressure washer to do the patio, which is a bit gutting, but at least it was a cheap fix for getting the decking cleaned. So there we go. All that remains in this video is to say thank you very much for watching.